This is Gene Daughtry, and I wanted to give you a quick little elevator speech on Jilcat Proline engine conditioning products, which are a metal conditioning product. It's been around for over 30 years. It uses an electrostatic hydrocarbon molecule that's what they call a liquid nano molecule technology that goes into an engine or a transmission or any other component of a vehicle or any machine that's lubricated, and it circulates throughout the engine, uses the heat of the engine to electrostatically polarize to the metal surfaces. It creates a single layer of these molecules inside of an engine, along the cylinder walls, on all the other metal components. And once that takes place, the molecules now are what's rubbing back and forth, and you lose all the friction. There is no longer any metal-to-metal contact. And while the molecules are attaching to the metal surfaces of the vehicle, they're also releasing everything else that's attached to the metal surfaces. And by doing that, now your sludge is releasing from the vehicle and it's dissolving inside of the engine so that it can just come out with the next oil change. And this product stays in the vehicle for 15,000 miles through multiple oil changes because it's electrostatic metal conditioner. It is not an oil additive. And it goes into a high mileage engine. I use it in Dodge 5.9s, Hemis, 2.7 Chrysler engines, 5.4 Fords, 5.3 Chevrolets with the lifter noise. I've had other dealers that use it in Mercedes-Benz. It's been used in Ford Escape. I've talked to different dealers. A dealer the other day that used it in a Genesis with a real bad chain rattle, and it took care of it. So it's been used by a lot of people. It's been used by heavy industry and NASA and the military and lots of other industries over for the last 30 years. This product does not use anything like paraffin or rubber PTFE or moly or Teflon. It's just these hydrocarbon molecules in a base necessary to put into an engine or a transmission, and it's going to lower the friction down to almost no friction. It's going to improve the oil pressure. In a racing engine, it gives you incredibly more horsepower and more laps on the track with the fuel that you're burning, and everything. The components are going to hold up better, last a lot longer, and buy here, pay here. That the customer's not changing their oil. It's going to help the car stay lubricated, stay out on the road, be making payments for you. It's a great product. I have saved a lot of dealers a lot of money by using it. Our dealership in Indianapolis saved $32,000 just on engine jobs in 3 months. And so it really is an incredible product that I believe that everyone should try, because I know that everyone that can use it. You can call me to get the right product in your hands to use with whatever application that you need. My number is 479-970-4049. Thank you very much.